What's up, YouTube? Cold as Ice Princess coming at you from Minnesota, and today I'm making Shaah. I hope I pronounced it right. It is a Somalian tea that we have here in Minnesota. I learned it from my Somalian sisters, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's one of the things that we do in Minnesota to keep us warm in the winter. So we're going to make Somalian tea called Shaah. So this is the ingredients down here that we need for our tea. We need black tea. We need nutmeg. This is cinnamon bark, but if you don't have cinnamon bark, no problem. Use the regular ground cinnamon. This is cloves. And these are cardamom pods. And I started breaking open one because we like to break it open and crush it before we cook it. And then this over here is ginger. I like a lot of ginger in mine. You don't have to use a lot of ginger if you don't like it. This is milk. I don't drink cow's milk, but this is almond milk. And then you need water and sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this. So right here, it's boiling. And you can use a regular tea kettle if you want to, but I chose to use a big pot. And you guys can tell I've been making a lot of Shaah because my pot is stained. And the reason why is because when you add the dairy products or the milk, when you're using a tea kettle like this, it will spill everywhere. And then I wanted to show y'all too, this is what I use to grate up the ginger. I just put it over top of here and I grate the ginger in there. So yeah, we're just letting it cook. I like to let mine cook a long time, you know, and I'm going to cover it up and then I'm just going to let it just cook. And I'm going to turn the fire down and let it just do its thing and get all good and goody. All goody. So here's my Shaah all finished cooking. And what I'm going to do now is, this is the way I like to do mine. I have a little strainer and I have this little thing in my cup. And I like to just strain it in my cup. So I just take another cup. And then I just sort of, because see, all the tea bags and all the good stuff is already in there. See, those are all the cloves and the cinnamon and the nutmeg and the tea bags. And everybody's Shaah will taste different because, oh, I can't see. I'm going to have to cut this off. 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here's my Shaah, my Somalian tea, ready to be drank. You can add a little bit more milk if you want a little more milk, or you know me, just like I was starting to say, everybody's Shaah kind of tastes different because everybody makes it different. Some people add more cinnamon in it. Some people add more nutmeg. Some people add more cloves. Some people add a lot of ginger, you know. And this is like the cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and the tea bags. So I'm going to have me some good Somalian tea right about now and a little piece of cake. And I'm going to Netflix and chill, if you know what I mean. Now, guys, this is how we stay warm in Minnesota. It's so good and spicy. And it tastes like wintertime. Shout out to the Somalians. Y'all be having some good food and good tea. As always, it's been Cold as Ice Princess coming at you from Minnesota. Grace and peace.